Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S52, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. And obviously the phone in front of me is locked. As you can see, there's two ways of unlocking it, either via the verification pattern or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're going to go back to the first page, and from here we're going to change language to any language that uses a different keyboard. So Greek, Russian, things like that will work fine. As you can see, there's Greek, that's what I'm going to choose. And now again we're going to progress through the setup till we get to the Google verification page. And from here you want to tap on the field. When the keyboard comes up, you will see that you have the globe icon. So number one, you want to hold it, and it will bring up the language or the keyboard select. So you want to select the second one, which is a QWERTY, then hold it again and go to language settings right here, then tap at the bottom, and you want to add a keyboard. So tap on the one that don't have arrows and then tap on add right here, just a blue button. Again, let's add another one just to be safe. Choose one again without an arrow, tap on add, and now we can go back. So go back to the first page, and now change the language back to English or whatever your default language was that you want to use. And let's press start, and again go back to where we just were. Again, tap on the field, hold the globe, go to language settings, add a keyboard, and now find one with an arrow. So right here we have one, and once you tap on it, you want to then tap on the three dots and go to help and feedback. And in the help and feedback, search for Morse code. And it usually suggests it fairly quickly, so use Morse code. That's what we're looking for. Select it. And once it loads up, you will see that there's a video from YouTube. You want to tap on it, it will load it up, and then you have the option for three dots on the side right here of the video, the corner. When you tap on it, you have the option to select watch later. When you tap on this, it will open up Chrome. So let's accept and continue. No thanks, we don't want to log in. And now tap on the search bar up on the top and navigate to HardReset.Info. So, and once you're on the website, tap on the three bars and go to download category. Then tap on the download search field, and you want to look for Android 7.1.2. There we go, and you can see that there is one possible thing that it found. So there is bypass or FRP bypass Android 7.1.2 and also 10. Tap on the download, scroll down, and now you want to actually hold this and choose Open Incognito tab. Let's continue, allow, OK. And it's right now downloading. So give it a moment. Once it's done downloading, you will have the option to open, as you can see. Tap on it. And we need to allow from this source. So let's go to settings, check this on right here, and then go back and next and install. Now once it's done installing, you want to click on done. So let's click on done, go back once more, And from here, tap on the search bar once more, and this time around you want to search for settings. Like so, and let's search, and again there should be only one result. Tap on download, scroll down, and again hold this, open an incognito tab. OK, open, install, and this time around you want to actually open it up. So let's tap on open. And from the settings app, you want to scroll down to security and location. Scroll down to device admin apps. And tap on the find my device to disable this. And choose deactivate the device admin app. And you can see that it's now checked off. So let's go back once more. And go up to apps and notifications. From here, see all 36 apps, tap on the three dots and go to show system and scroll down to G. So there we go, there is G, and we're looking for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, and there they are. So let's start with the services, tap on it, disable, and disable app, go back, and then choose Google Play Store, disable app, and go back once more, and now from the main settings page you want to go to accounts, tap on add account, choose Google, give it a moment, and as you can see there's the bypass FRP app that we have installed, and it's gonna now keep crashing. Now it doesn't really matter, it has done its job. We're gonna see this pop up plenty of times onwards, so just every time it pops up, just choose close up or just click on the screen anywhere like so, just to get it out of the way. So from here you want to use your Google account. If you don't have one, you can always create it. It's completely free, and once you have created it you can then use it to log in. Now I already have mine, so I don't need to create anything, and I'm gonna use that. There we go, let's tap on next, and I'm gonna put in the password. Let's tap on next, and you can see that we have logged in. So welcome, terms of service, we need to agree to that. And again, app has crashed, whatever, click on the screen, and you can see that there is your account added. So let's go back. And we need to go back to apps and notifications and re-enable the Google Services and Store app. So again, go to see all 36 apps, tap on the three dots, go to show system, and scroll down to G. So there we go. Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Let's tap on each one of them and then select enable, and once you have enabled both of them, you want to hold the power key and select restart. So again, now that we're back in the setup screen, let's again skip most of this. And you can see right now, this is previously where it was showing us to verify the previous Google account. Right now it's telling us account added, and it's providing the email that I have added right before the reset. Now again, as I said, this will keep appearing, so just tap on the screen and disregard it. So choose next. And you want to skip through most of this, like I said, just to get access to the home screen. And once you're on the home screen, so from the home screen you want to choose Settings. So let's find it. There we go, Settings. Scroll all the way down to System, expand this, and you should find Reset Options. And from here choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. It gives us a message that performing this will remove the Google account that we have added, as you can see right here, and it will also remove the account that was previously blocking us, which isn't actually listed here. So let's select Reset Phone, erase everything, and once the process is actually finished, the device at that point will be fully unlocked, and you can go through the setup process as however you like, adding all the security, Google accounts, and whatever you want. So I'll be back once the process is actually complete. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so let's go to the setup process once more. Now I'm gonna skip most of this just to save on time, but key thing that you can see already is the ability to skip Wi-Fi connection, which if the device would be still locked, I would not be able to. And like I said before, you can set it up as however you like. I'm just doing it to save on time so I can get past it as quick as possible. And there we go. So, as you can see, the device is now fully unlocked and you can use it as however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.